Christopher Small here from Emerald City Law Group, and I'm here to continue our discussion about what to do if you ever get in a car accident. If you recall, we've already gone through the first 3 steps. Step 1 is pull over immediately and don't take off, right? Basically, because you want to be able to get the other person's information. You also want to avoid potential criminal charges. Step number 2, call the cops, right? Get somebody there that can help keep the situation calm, that can get everyone's information, and that will just generally is trained to take care of situations like that. Tip number 3 or step number 3 is remember that less is more, particularly when it comes to talking about any injuries that you might have. It's important to know and remember that when you are put in situations like this, your body kicks into overdrive and that fight or flight response comes up. That means that there's a bunch of adrenaline pumping through your system, which means that you may not feel the true extent of your injuries immediately after an accident. And then so today, now we're on to tip number 4. Tip number 4, you're still at the accident scene, okay? And this is a very, very important tip. This is a very important step in the process. That is to document everything. Okay, so we all have our smartphones. That's how I'm making this video, right, on the phone. So it has a great camera. Take the time to take some pictures. Take pictures of your car. Take it from the front, from the back, from the side. Take pictures of their car from the front, from the back, from the side. Take pictures of as much as you can. If you have bruises, if you have scratches, bumps, take those pictures as soon as possible, okay? You know, there's nothing worse than having someone come into the office and have a relatively serious injury, like a head injury or something like that. They bumped the steering wheel, they bumped the windshield, and they had a huge lump on their head, and now it's gone. They didn't take pictures. It's not a deal killer for us, but it just makes everything more difficult. And that's the whole point of these videos, is to make your life easier, to make the process smoother, and to help us get you, as much money as you can if you are injured in a car accident. So make sure you document those things. Then the last piece of it is when you get home, take a second, pull out a notepad, and write down everything that you remember about the accident. Write down everything that you remember about your pain, about where it hurt, about anything that was said, anything that you remember. And here's an insider tip, okay? At the top of that piece of paper, write "for my attorney," okay? Just write that, "for my attorney" at the top. What that will do is protect that document from ever being seen really by anyone. It will create a level of confidentiality for that document because that is going to be intended for the person that you hire. Hope you enjoyed that tip. We'll have more tips to come. And once again, I'm Christopher Small with Emerald City Law Group. If you have ever been or are injured in a car accident, please call us for help, 206-973-0407. We'd love to help you. This is what we do. We love taking care of people and basically helping you get the most money that you can from what at times can be some unscrupulous insurance companies. All right, so I look forward to hearing from you. If you ever have any questions, feel free to call anytime. Again, the number is 206-973-0407. You can also email me, chris@emeraldcitylawgroup.com. And I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to talk to you. All right, so have a great week. Take care, and I will talk to you soon.